In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to run TikTok ads. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, if you want to know more about how to run ads in TikTok, you can go to some sites to get some information. For example, this site. If you go to this site, you will see and read some information about how to run ads on TikTok. So anyways, to start, you just have to go to any web browser and then kindly type tiktok.com/business. And it will land you directly to their site. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And if you have an account, you can simply tap login. But if you don't have yet, so you have to click create now. Okay, so here they will need some information like your email address and your password. So if you have your account already, again, you have to click login. If you don't have, then you can sign up using your email address, okay? And you can sign up with TikTok. So before you proceed, you will select at least two objects that are the same shape, okay? So you just have to answer this and click confirm. And as you can see, verification complete. Okay, so you can now proceed. Now tell us about your business. You can type here your business name, industry, country, currency, time zone, and phone. So for example, my business name is artistry, business. Industry, we have here services. Okay, but everything is up to you. Okay, you can also click for design or packaging and printing. But for me, I have to click this design. Okay, country and region, currency, phone number, and then tap this to agree with their terms and then click continue. Now, once done, it will take you to their billing information. Okay, if you want to proceed, then you have to read this one first, and then after that, you have to accept this one. Okay, okay, tap the two boxes here, tap check, and then click continue. So this is what it looks like, but this time let's proceed to setting up your account on your TikTok business. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and what you're going to do here is, of course, you have to simply enter your business name. So for example, we have here virtual reality now, time zone. Everything is up to you, but for me, it's broken here time. So you just have to select if you're an agency or advertiser, then you have to type your company name here. Also, you need to add your company website. Okay, so let me paste it here. Okay, add company website. Industry, so everything is up to you. For me, it's services. Okay, and then once you're done with this, okay, you can go on to your time zone again. Okay, describe your business. Then we have here company website. I changed my location and time zone to Tokyo. Okay, and then add your state or province. Okay, contact name, contact email, and phone number. Then we have your tax information, but this one is optional. And we have also payment method, but you can skip to that. You can just add it later. So after that, you just have to simply tap create. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Welcome to TikTok Business Center. You can simply read the following here to know more information about Business Center. And then after that, you can now proceed to this area. As you can see on the left side, we have here users. Under users, we have members and partners. If you tap members, you can just simply add people here, invite members to have access to your account. But of course, everything is up to you. With your permission, you can let someone or you can authorize someone to, edit some or modify settings on your TikTok business. Okay. If you want to set this person as an admin, also, you can simply tap admin or standard with this limited permission here, finance manager and finance analyst. But for me, I just want to tap standard. Okay, I will let this person do something on my business shop, but I want to give him or her limited access only. Okay? Something like that. For partners, okay, you can build relationship with other organization. You just have to simply add someone here, like paid partnership, something like that. So all you have to do is to add their name here, business center here, and then once done, all you have to do is simply tap next. Now we have here assets. Okay, so we have here under assets, we have here advertiser accounts. We have here audiences, catalog shops, pixels, and TikTok accounts. With this advertiser accounts, this one is very important. Okay, so you have to create new. So you need to create an account that is directly owned by your business center. Okay, so enter your account name. Okay, let's just say account name is Ellie Cruz, and then account time zone. We have here Japan, or everything is up to you. Let's just say Tokyo or Beijing, something like that. Okay. And then once you're done with this, what you're going to do is to simply tap next. Okay. So contact name, this one is optional, but I suggest that you should put your contact name here. Contact email optional, but it's better to put your email address here, even your phone number, and then click submit. Okay, so once you're done with this, then you can now proceed to audiences. Okay, so you will see audiences here. As you can see, audiences will have or which have been shared with virtuality now will appear here. And continue with catalog shops, okay, and so on. Now, if we go to pixels, this one is very important to add some, information like your ID here. And this one is very important because you may use it to analyze client behavior on your website. Keep track of sales and determine the best demographic for your advertising. You can utilize that information to develop more persuasive advertising efforts and draw the desired demographic to your shop. And that is the purpose of this TikTok pixel here. Okay. Now, once you're done with this, you can go to TikTok accounts. And then here, what you're going to do is to simply request access to account. Tap this one. Then, what you're going to do here, when you tap this request access, you will see here add delivery permission. Okay, so select what permissions you need to deliver ads with a TikTok account. So you can toggle this one on, visual permissions, TikTok posts, publishing permissions. You can toggle all of this, and then now you can generate QR code. Okay, so as you can see here, all you have to do is to ask any TikTok account owner to scan QR code to approve your request. After it's approved, the account will appear in your assets and you'll be able to get access to that member. So I used my phone and I just scanned the QR code, and this is my second account. And as you can see here, you can add TikTok account if you want. I mean, you can add more TikTok account if you want. Now let's go to Ads Manager here. We will not go further with the options below. Let's go and jump into Ads Manager. Okay, so if you tap that Ads Manager, it will take you directly to this. You will have your options. What's your goal or advertising goal? Let's just say if you want traffic, community interaction, website conversion, lead generation. But if you tap this custom mode here, you will see more advertising objectives such as traffic, video views, community interactions. Let's just say you wanted to build your own shop. So let's tap this product sales here and then click continue. Okay. Now you need a TikTok shop. You need to connect your TikTok business, of course, to your TikTok shop. Okay, and now you can have your campaign name. So you can set campaign budget if you want, but for me, I'll just do it later because this is just for tutorial purposes. So you can set up that later and then click this red button here. And this is what it looks like. Now what you're going to do here is to simply enter some information. Okay, so for video shopping ads, okay, so you can, I mean, the TikTok shop should appear right here if you have, okay, and then you can toggle this one on, okay, for comments and videos, audience targeting, Let's just say if you want to include places and country, you just have to simply select it right here and exclude a certain or specific place or country or location. You can simply search it there. So we have your gender. I like to select all. For age, I just like to select all. For languages, all. For interest and behaviors, everything is up to you. Okay, but of course, should be related to your niche, of course. Define your users by selecting creator video and hashtag interactions and interest. Okay, so yeah, feel free to tap whatever you feel like related to your niche or your shop or your community, something like that. You just have to type it right here. Okay, and then once you're done with this, okay, let's just say for hashtag interactions, let's just say fashion week hashtag, something like that. Okay, or you can search right here for specific hashtags or interests and behaviors. Okay, and then after that, for device operating system, I want to select all. For device model, all. Connection type, all. Carriers, all. Internet service provider, all. Device price, all. Then for budget schedule, daily budget, it will appear right here, the daily budget. Okay, so as you can see, it's 500. And then for schedule, you can set start time to run ad group continuously, or you can also set your own time, start time and end time rather. Okay, day parting all day or select specific time. Everything is up to you. Okay, and once you're done with this, you can go to bidding optimization goal, bid strategy. Okay, you can simply explore this thing here, but it's not that really necessary to answer it all now. Once done, all you have to do is to select next. But actually, I don't have my TikTok shop right now. So what I'm going to show you is the other way or the other way of running ads or monitoring your campaign. But actually, there's no really big difference. Okay, so let's just say I want to tap this traffic. Okay, so I'm focused on traffic. So yes, it's the same thing. You just have to enter the information here. Okay, we have here website, placements, audience targeting. This one is optional. Okay, so we have your custom targeting or automatic targeting. For custom, of course, you can select any age, power, spending power, and audience here, include and exclude interest and behavior. Okay, budget and schedule, reporting, bidding optimization, and so on. So once done, all you have to do is to click next. Now, as you can see here, this is what it looks like. Now, let's just say you have added a video already, so you can add a name above, okay? And then identity, use TikTok account to deliver Spark ads. Then all you have to do is toggle that one on and use the account owned by you. And then we have here add details, okay? TikTok post or a single video. Okay, so if it's up this one, then you will see the information. Now, if you want to add video, you can simply tap this and you can upload a video. You can add from library or you can create. Okay, so of course, I would suggest that you have to create your own video, own content, unique content. And then call to action, interaction adds on. You can tap this plus create from library also. And then you can add some URL here if you want as connected to your TikTok shop. And then, yeah, for this thing here, these are optional. So once you have built or you have already uploaded or you have created a content, then if you want to know the status of your content, your shop, or your video or your ads, then you just have to go to campaign and you will see all the information here. Status, budget, CPC, CPM, impressions, clicks. Okay, it's very visible here. So what I'm showing now are just basic. Okay, so if you want to learn more, then there are tons of sites, and you can also go to other videos to see more information about how to run TikTok ads. I just showed the easiest way on how to run TikTok ads. Okay, so I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.